Welcome to our power supply comparison video. Today, we will be looking at two popular options, the CORSAIR RM850X and the MSI MAG A550BN. We'll explore their specifications, features, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're building a high-performance gaming rig or a budget-friendly PC, this comparison will help you make an informed decision. The CORSAIR RM850X offers a robust 850 watts of power, making it ideal for high-performance systems that demand more energy. In contrast, the MSI MAG A550BN provides 550 watts, which is sufficient for budget builds or less demanding setups. If you're planning to run high-end graphics cards or multiple components, the RM850X is the clear winner in this category. When it comes to cable management, the CORSAIR RM850X shines with its fully modular design, allowing users to connect only the cables they need, resulting in a cleaner build. On the other hand, the MSI MAG A550BN is a non-modular unit, which can lead to a cluttered interior as all cables are permanently attached. This difference can significantly impact the ease of installation and airflow within your case. Efficiency is another critical factor in power supplies. The CORSAIR RM850X boasts an 80 PLUS Gold certification, indicating it operates at a higher efficiency level, which translates to lower energy costs and less heat generation. In contrast, the MSI MAG A550BN has an 80 PLUS Bronze certification, which, while still decent, does not match the efficiency of the RM850X. For users concerned about energy consumption and heat, the RM850X is the better choice. In conclusion, the CORSAIR RM850X is a superior choice for those needing high power, efficiency, and modularity, while the MSI MAG A550BN serves as a budget-friendly option for less demanding systems. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.